Tuina or Tui Na is a form of Chinese therapy used in conjunction with acupuncture, moxibustion, fire cupping, herbalism, tai chi and qigong. This massage treatment involves the hands stimulating the acupuncture points around the body and is commonly known as acupressure. The massage integrates the manipulation of joints and limbs by using pulling and swinging techniques. A typical massage treatment can consist of the practitioner using brushing, kneading, rolling, pressing and rubbing techniques in the areas between each of the joints, known as the 8 gates, to attempt to open the body's defensive way, qi energy, and get it moving through the meridians and muscles. The techniques may be gentle or quite firm. The name comes from the two actions. Tui means to push and na means to lift and squeeze. The practitioner can use a range of motions to stimulate the acupressure points, including shaking and traction. These techniques are claimed to aid in the treatment of both acute and chronic musculoskeletal conditions, as well as many non-musculoskeletal conditions. As with many traditional medical practices, there are different schools which vary in their approach to the discipline. Tui Na has a history that dates back to the same era as acupuncture and is more popular where traumatic pains are concerned. This is because medicated oils and liniments are used to supplement the massage. Many people now turn to Tui Na even for general massage, as it is more intensive and a greater feeling of stress relief occurs. In ancient China, medical therapy was often classified as either external or internal treatment. Tui Na was one of the external methods, thought to be especially suitable for use on the elderly population and on infants. Today, Tui Na is subdivided into specialized treatment for infants, adults, orthopedics, traumatology, cosmetology, rehabilitation, sports medicine, etc. In modern China, many hospitals include Tui Na as a standard aspect of treatment. In the West, Tui Na is taught as a part of the curriculum at some acupuncture schools. Benefits of Tui Na. Tui Na speeds up the body's ability to heal itself and has benefits both physiologically as well as psychologically in increasing the well-being of a person. Neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, ankle or wrist pain, hip pain, rheumatism, arthritis, joint or moving pain, sports injuries, muscle spasms, headache, migraine, diabetes, sciatica, stress, insomnia, constipation, digestive, respiratory, reproductive system, low energy. The greatest advantage of Tui Na is that it focuses on maintaining overall balance with both physical and mental health. Anyone who wants to avoid side effects of drugs or chemical-based treatment can implement this effective massage treatment to alleviate their pain. Tui Na massage therapy is now becoming a more common therapy method due to its focus on specific problems rather than providing a general treatment.